BeMo is specialized in constructing tunnel and heavy civil engineering, caverns and galleries. BeMo has chosen a national buried infrastructure facility because of the brilliant reputation of the University of Birmingham and the good connection to the tunnel team at Birmingham University. Normally in tunneling we monitor deformations with targets and a laser, which is a good process but has also some disbenefits, like the targets can be destroyed.
A tunnel is not a clean environment, so there's dust, there's noise, there's heat, so temperature could affect the readings.
Our vision is that we use fiber optics in the future instead of the targets. The benefit would be that they are embedded in the shotcrete, so they cannot be destroyed.
So a clear benefit of using optical fibers during construction is the lot higher accuracy. The benefit for the clients are massive as well, because the fiber optics can stay in the lining, so giving readings over probably the lifetime of the tunnels, and we're talking about 100 years or even 150 years. So gives a certainty for the client how the long-term behavior of the lining is. The impact for BeMo, if the research will be successful, should be increase the level of safety, stability assessment. In the end, it's much more sustainable.
We believe implementing this system in the future will help us to build the tunnel more safely, and also more efficient, and at the end we're gonna get more value for money.